back, all right? We are back again. What we're gonna do, you already know. Got the spares on. All right, the spares is on. Danny's here with the Jeep. We're gonna see if we could go ahead and break a few axles. I knew he was gonna look soon I said that. So we're gonna break a few axles. I'm gonna go ahead again. It's a couple hours drive to Mexico. So we're gonna head out to Mexico and see how that works. Boy, you look white back there. Oh, let me fix that. All right, there we go. Ready to break a few axles, man?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
Shit. All right, so let's head out there and we'll see you guys soon.
You ever had a dream that you could
Time for some Jeepery out in Mexico. Look at Mexico. Ooh, Mexico looking so empty today. Mexico looking empty. Hey, if you really want to have fun, pull a fuse. I don't even know why companies put fuses in cars anymore, man. This is how you do it. All right, let me go ahead and get the drone out. Can I hold on to the roof? Nah, since you're turning this way, I'm gonna need a grip. Okay. All right, go ahead. Side skirt came off, but we're not gonna stop. And this is broken. Once I start digging too deep, things just break. But I still see some space.
Let's go for it. From the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away, find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole crew in a race. Came a long way from that minimum wage. Funny how money be bringing out people who never remember the time that they paid. Count it up on my two hands. If you wanna talk, I need two bands. I don't play around with no loose ends, and I never wanted no new friends. I keep it real, you can ask the fans. Don't get involved if you're not my fan, but if you were willing to sacrifice when I roll the dice, then I'm counting you in. Say ones, day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make ends. No time for fake friends. Ain't about money, it's not being loyal. Cause when I had nothing, they stayed on my soil. The grass might be greener on the other side, but not for the ones who left me out to dry. I can forget, but I never forget. Money is power, but care about respect. If you've been focused on credit or debit, then I'ma pay you a reality check. Some of the richest be.
Alright. Thank you guys for staying tuned. We had to get some fun. I done broke the car. See you guys later. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. We're out. Peace.
If I die, all I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great for my city. I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend.